That's a nice piece, man.
Everybody's always selling the salesman, you know?
You don't cut air, do you? We do.
And we do it faster than anybody on the block.
You got a lot less trouble.
You're the only guys that never break a tool when you screw up the offset.
That's right.
Want to open the...
Sure.
You want the coolant on? Or?
No, the coolant can be on. It's fine. It's fine.
We have option stop.
Okay. That's why I wear these high-end clothes. Funny, there's a few times I'll stop at a place and you're like, oh, you here to fix the machine? I'm like, no, really, I'm going to buy it. I just...